Guess what day it is, guys? It's Christmas Eve, guys. It's Christmas Eve. So, Merry Christmas Eve to all of you and your family, guys. I'm gonna get a haircut straight after this video because tomorrow we have a big family that's gonna come up. We're expecting around about 26 people. 26 people coming for the Christmas party, Christmas event thingy. And I have a lot of things to do today and tomorrow, but that's not gonna stop me from uh giving you guys content on a daily basis because that's what I do even though it's Christmas, guys. Right? And yes, African people have big families, right? We have a family of really big people. We are expecting 26 to 30 people tomorrow. But I'm not, that's not gonna stop me from making a video. Even tomorrow, even the day after, I'm gonna be doing this every single day, guys. So in today's video, guys, I'm gonna be teaching you how to skyrocket basically your business, right? How to promote, uh, how to find out how to grow your business fast, right? It's affiliate marketing, right? So what you wanna do? What you wanna do is let me show you. Let me go to my YouTube channel. Just let me go to my YouTube channel. I wanna show you something, right? Because then I can explain to you when you see the results, right? When you see the results and the information, then I'm explaining to you, right? So let me go to my channel, right? And yes, this is the type of videos I watch. Nice, right? So let me go to my channel. By the way, go check out the videos, right? So you go like this, go down, 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 down. Because this is when I started promoting videos on a daily basis, right? So you go down, 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 down. I'm gonna show you something basically first of all. Exactly, right? So look at this, 74 viewers. What did I do here? Let me show you again, right? Let me show you again. Um, let me show you again. 18 viewers, 14 viewers, right? 24 viewers, right? All these views, right? And what did I do, guys? I did product reviews. That's what you do, and that's how you skyrocket your business when you're starting with affiliate marketing, right? So what you do is you go to basically let me go to Google. Let's look for how to make money online, right? So they, because that's my niche, that's the niche I'm interested on, that is, right? Make money online, right? And what you wanna do is find products in this niche, right? So these are all the products on online sales. So these are all the products. Find products in this niche, right? Find products in this niche uh, that people are promoting, right? Because this is a product, this is a product, right? And everything like that. But I don't wanna click it, right? So let's say making money online, right? Making money, right? So all the simpler way that I do it, let me go to ClickBank. Let me go to ClickBank. Right, ClickBank, yes. So what you wanna go do is you go to ClickBank, right? You find products in your niche. Find products in your niche, right? Because one is the oh, it's already even in my niche. E-business in marketing, and for every single product, since you're just starting out. Since you're just starting out, for every single product, you wanna create a review. So first of all, you wanna go, you want the sales page and you want the affiliate page. So let's just go to the, no, I don't want that product, right? So let's say, yeah, let's say this one. So you want that one, and right, and you want the sales page. First, we find out the commission of the product. Find out the gravity if it's recurring, right? You read this mini text here, and you see the sales page on how it is and everything, how it's structured and everything like that, right? Because we are creating a review of this product, right? So people say this is illegal. No, it's not. It's legal. You can do this, right? If you cannot do it, why still in affiliate marketing? If you don't want to do this, right? This is how to skyrocket your business. It's just starting because you don't have a big list, right? So the sales page looks awesome. It looks nice. It looks neat. So after this, the person is gonna give you some information, right? So what you wanna do? What you wanna do is after you read this page nicely, carefully. I already noticed this. You read the downstairs and up. You explain this in your videos, alright? So when you're going to tell the people, right? You can even contact these people, right? You can go to contact us, right? and here you contact these people, right? And then and say, hey, give me a demo account because I wanna give a review about the product, right? So and you actually learn about, and I suggest to buy. I suggest you buy, for example, let me say this product. I suggest before you do a review of the product, you buy it so you and you actually get results with it. So you can actually give out a review and actually give out your own opinion. And why are we doing a review, guys? We are doing a review because right, this product already has a high search volume. Let me show you. Right, so it's Clickbank University, right? So let me just search for Clickbank University. See, I even searched already university, right? And over 720, or no, in fact, not even review, right? Cleveland University. Over 2,400 people are searching this per month, right? And if you don't know what tools I'm using this Chrome extension, keywords everywhere, and also this one of vidIQ. Free, by the way, go download them. They are very helpful if you're affiliate marketer, right? So this product already has a traffic, so right, a lot of people are already searching it per month, about 4,200 people are searching it per month, right? So we call for it, oh, about 2,400, either way, right? So people are already searching it per month. For you, is to basically give a review on the product and say, hey, this is the product, this is how it helped me, and everything like that. If you want it, click the link in the description to buy it, right? So the good thing about the product review, right? So it boosts your channel because people are already searching it. It's not a dead product. It's still new, still brand new. And people will be searching about this product each and every day. So and they might have a chance to hop on your video and watch your video. If your review is good, they might buy a product and say they might buy a product because they say, hey, this product is especially good. Look at how it gave this person X amount of money, right? So the good thing about this is right. Number one, you are getting results because you bought the product. Because you bought the product, you are getting results with it. You are getting results with it, right? Because you see, this product, why you are selling it, why you are promoting it, because you have to explain more about the product, right? So what you are doing is you're getting results with the product because you are in the course and you're telling people, hey, this is the product, this is how it is, right? It teaches you about this and this and this. If you want to right and say, hey, there's a downsell of there's a front end offer for 47, there's an upsell to 279. So you're letting the people know what is in the product because it's a product review. Review the product, right? So and so other people, every little bit of information they need to know about this product, who are these people, what they do, and how the product helps you, has the offer. That's why I said buy the product first before you actually promote it, right? Buy the product first before going and give a review on it. Because people will see the insight and say, this is really a nice product, let me buy it. And you put your link down here, right? So the link that you get from this product right here, right? The link that you get you put it in the description, right? So this link, right? This link, you put this link in the description, right? You put this link in the description, you copy it, you put it in the description, right? Of your video, right? Of your video, let me actually put it here, right? So, because when you're going to give a review in your product, let me just show you how I get it here, right? So, let me just, for example, I did a lot of product review. I like 30-day success club review, AZ formula review, and if you just go here, I'm pretty sure you're gonna find those products. Oh, then you're gonna find them somewhere though, right? But I did a review somewhere, right? So let's say for example this one, right? So uh, and if the product is bad, say hey, it's bad, don't buy it. I suggest you buy this product because it's actually nice and it helps me, right? So let me show you what I did here. And you put hashtags in your video because people nowadays people put hashtags and you put tags here, right? So let me show you. Uh, Here is the link to the product. Here is the link to my product, right? Click on video, right? This is the link to the product. You say, hey, in this video I gave a honest review on the AZ formula if it's a scam or not, right? And you put out the 3 keywords and everything like that. And then you put the link in here, right? So people buy from your link. And actually, fun fact, Two people bought from this one. So two people bought from this one. I got myself right. That was better the traffic. Two people bought from it because I gave a honest opinion about it. Honest opinion. I got a demo account from the user from the owners of the product, and actually it helped me very well, right? So, but as I just to buy it, of course, if I could have bought the product, I could have got like 5 or 6 people bought from it because the way I promoted it was a good way. So you wanna give a honest opinion about this product. Give a honest opinion about this product, and you put your link in the description, right? You put this link that you just got in the description of your video, right? Or if you don't like if you went through, and the good thing is you can even ask for a refund after 2 weeks. You can ask for a refund, but like, hey, can you please give me a refund? I don't want the product anymore. Why? Because you're just doing a review on it, right? So I spend the whole day through it and everything, right? And then you go give a review on it. So that is how you skyrocket your business and get actually sales when you're starting out with your affiliate marketing, right? So thank you guys for watching. Like I said, Merry Christmas. I mean, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year whenever you're watching this video. It's Christmas Eve on our side right now. I hope your day is going well. Hope you enjoy time with your family. Don't spend too much time on the computer. Hey, but for me, I love what I do. It gives me money. I like it, everything that goes with it. So that's why I'm here every single day. I show up every single day, even though whatever event is on the way, right? As long as I know that I have time for events, I have time for business, right? I structure my day with time, right? I give myself time, like, hey, it's family time, family time. We have over 26 people coming, they all wanna see me and blah 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 blah. So I'm gonna get the haircut straight after this video. I give myself time. This is the family time, and I get time for actually putting out videos every day on YouTube and building funnels and promoting different products and finding new ways and new strategies and everything, right? So that I mostly do in the morning, like 7 a.m. ish, right, until 10, and then from there I get time for the family, and then night again from like 7 p.m. until 12 or until 2 or 3. That's for me, right? And that's me the time I spend time with my family. Hey, don't need to spend the whole day with your family. I mean, you already seen them. Like, you already seen your family. Not for me though. Some people are just people over years. Right. So that's why I need to be there. But I'm still putting out videos on a daily basis. I don't give excuses. I don't say, hey, I'm 26 over 26, 27 people coming to my house. I can do this. I can do that. Hey, give yourself time. Stop giving excuses. Start taking action. Right. You're a beginner in this. You have to take action. You have to sacrifice some things in order to have something. I'm sacrificing my time. People are preparing for people are doing this. I'm sacrificing my time to go into my business, right? Because this is what I love. It helps me generate me income and everything like that, right? So this is what I love. It helps me. That's why I'm spending more time on this, right? Because in the future, in the long term, it's gonna help me. Christmas or whatever New Year or whatever day it is, it's just a one day event. Yes, it's special. Nothing is not special, but just a 1 day event, right? You have to realize that. But you have to give yourself time for family and time for your business. You have to manage that. You have 24 hours in a day. Try to manage it. Sometimes you have to go sleepless nights like this last night. I was working on a fun little project last night called Project Philemon. That's gonna help me be more productive and everything like that. I think I'm gonna show it to you after it's done. I spent the whole day there yesterday, and I still made time to make a video for you, right? So I spent the whole day there. I was tired when I came here. I did not wanna make a video. Still made a video though, guys. Just give yourself time. Stop giving excuses on why it's not working and why it's not working and everything, right? Give yourself time and everything will wake up, right? So I challenge you to do the 90-day challenge if you're posting videos on a day-to-day basis for 90 days, right? You can even start on New Year's and do it for 90 days, right? I already started like a month ago, right? And I did not miss a day up to today, and I won't miss a day because of Christmas or New Year or whatever event is on the way, right? Even though it's my birthday, I'm still gonna put out videos on a daily basis, right? So thank you guys for watching. My name is Shinemo Shiepo. Click the first link in the description to take you to my number one recommendation. Right, that has helped me teach you everything that I know here. It will help you teach you more and how to actually get results faster and way easier, right? So click on the first link in the description if you want that. But thank you guys for watching. My name is Philemon Shiepo. And peace. Happy New Year and Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Whenever you're watching this. Hey.